keyword outline, page 1, page 2, and practice times on the back. I will be doing my speech in front of my dad, Miss Faith, Naeem, and Shalea. The most beautiful makeup for any woman is her natural hair. In this speech, I will show you the beauty in your natural hair. I'll be going over some of the essential products needed, a routine, and encouraging you to love and embrace your natural hair. I have the credibility to speak on this topic because I personally have been doing my natural hair for many years. My reason for my audience to listen to this speech today is to encourage them all to love and embrace their natural hair. Some of the materials needed for this speech is a deep conditioner, a regular conditioner, a weekly routine, and some oil. Let's start off with some of the essential products used for natural hair. First, we have a deep conditioner. This is a deep conditioner as shown. It usually comes in a tube like this. I'm going to demonstrate how to put it in her hair. And while I'm demonstrating, I'm just going to explain to you what it does. So basically, we're starting at the roots, and a deep conditioner really puts all the nutrients back in your hair. Right after you wash your hair, it puts it all back in. Once it strips it of all its oils and natural nutrients. The deep conditioner puts it right back in. I don't know if you can tell. This side is more moisturized than this side. Then immediately after you rinse out the deep conditioner, because that's not supposed to stay in, you will apply a regular conditioner. Here's one of my favorites. It is Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. Just going to put a dime-sized amount into my hand. And same thing, I'm just going to demonstrate how I'm putting it in her hair. I'm going to first start with my roots, with the roots of her hair, to make sure it gets all on her scalp. And then I'm using the same raking method to distribute the conditioner all throughout her hair. And what this is doing is it's locking the moisture in. Right after you do the deep conditioner and you rinse it out, the moisture is still there, but the conditioner assures that it'll be locked in your hair. Same thing on this side. It's a lot more defined, and versus this side, it looks a little more dry. Secondly, we have oil. Oil is just a great for your hair overall. I'm just going to start by putting it in the front like this, putting it on her scalp. And what oil does is it prevents breakage of the ends and prevents split ends. It also helps to keep that oil and that moisture locked in your hair. Same thing, I'm doing the raking method and I'm making sure the oil is all throughout her hair. If you can tell, this side is a little more shiny once the oil is in versus this side it is not. Now that we have discussed a couple essential products used for natural hair, let's talk about a weekly routine, right? So on day 1, you're supposed to wash and condition your hair and then wear it out. Day 2, you can do some sort of bun. I'll demonstrate here. And then you can also do half up, half down. On day 3, you can do some sort of braided look, or you can do a bun, slick back bun. That's what I have here. So the bun will look like this, and then you'll, gel the edges down, and you'll have a sort of look like this. And basically what a routine does is it keeps your hair, nice and easy to maintain. It really keeps it from getting dry. You're not washing it every day. And it helps your hair grow. When it's on a routine, it's used to the same thing. It's really just becoming healthy. So now that we have discussed a weekly routine, let's talk about the importance of loving your natural hair. If you love your natural hair, it really motivates you to actually do it and style it. You will notice that you will become more creative and more motivated to do your hair because you personally just love it. Also, your hair is perfect. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You were made just the way that you were supposed to be made. I have now shown you how to correctly take care of your natural hair by giving you some essential products, by forming a routine, and lastly showing you how to love it. Embrace what you're born with because it is beautiful.